Hi, welcome to my channel where we celebrate the tasty ingredients and cook delicious food together. Today we're making Napa cabbage and tofu soup, a traditional soup dish from the northeastern part of China, which is typically cooked and enjoyed in cold weather. Today's main ingredients are the Napa cabbage and tofu. Make sure you pick firm tofu for the texture. Freeze the tofu beforehand. This step enhances the structure of the tofu to be richer in calcium and vitamins. It also gives the tofu a spongy texture, great for soaking up the soup. Defrost thoroughly before use. We also need some oyster mushroom or any mushroom. Use your hand to shred the mushroom into smaller pieces. And then we're going to cut the tofu into little cubes, about 2 centimeter cubes. You can make it a little larger if you would like to. And we're gonna chop the Napa cabbage. There is a trick. We are going to cut it to about 1 inch long, and then you turn around. When you chop it, you want your knife to be in parallel with the fiber. You don't want to cut through the fiber because when you make soup, we want it to boil it for a long time so the tofu can soak the taste inside. And this may make your cabbage, however, soggy and mushy, and that will ruin the soup, the taste of it. So always make sure when you shred it, you cut it in parallel with the fiber, so the fiber can hold the cabbage. And when you cut the leaf part, because it's thinner, and you want to shred it a little bit wider than the bottom of it. And then we just arrange all of these ingredients on top of it. Of course, I love meat. I put some beef brisket. You can also use pork belly meat, or just don't add anything if you would like to drink vegetarian soup only. I also add some chicken base for taste. Ginger, shredded minced ginger, a teeny little bit light soy sauce. Absolutely not too much, it will ruin your soup taste. A teeny little bit of cooking wine because we had added the beef, and then salt. Spray on top of it. Add water. For my the portion, I actually added 2 cups. It depends on your portion. The trick here is almost soak all of the ingredient. You don't have to soak it because keep it in mind, the cabbage itself has water. When you boil it, when you simmer it, it's gonna come out. So almost soak it. Bring the soup to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes at least. So the taste is going to come out and all mixed together. Make a very delicious soup. And now we're gonna add that mung bean noodles. You can get this from Oriental stores, the Asian grocery store, even online. I believe you can find it. And soak it in. Make sure it's covered by the soup. And cover the lid and simmer for about 3 minutes. Don't make it too long. because it's going to just melt inside your soup and become starch. We don't want that. So 3 minutes is perfect. Don't make it longer than that. As long as it turns soft, then it's ready. We're gonna decorate the soup, garnish it with some parsley and scallion. Then drip a few sesame oil on top. And pretty much it's ready. Here you go. Another delicious, healthy, tasty soup ready for you to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. It's really great to have you. Please check out the other videos in my channel and remember to subscribe. I hope to see you again.